Racing gas is started. We have Marias. Very quickly at the start. Moving up Masaganang Ani. Tremendous Ethan Nero. The outside comes Mapagkumbaba. Tarlac out of time. Lana Stern. Federer. Then down on the inside is Lord of the Sun. While Gintong Gantimpala is the ready trailer then going along for the first turn. We have Masaganang Ani, Violink Any Hep, followed closely by Mapagkumbaba in second. Tremendous Ethan is racing in third. Marias comes next. Alongside comes Tarlac out of time. Then next online is Federer, Lana Stern, Lord of the Sun, while Gintong Gantimpala is still racing last inside the tres octavo. We have 7A Mapagkumbaba takes command by about 2 lengths. Moving up for the outside, Tarlac is Marias is down on the inside. Federer, Tremendous Ethan. Then moving up is Art of Time, Masaganang Ani, Lord of the Sun, Gintong Gantimpala, and Lana Stern. And as they swing for home, we have Mapagkumbaba by about 2 lengths. Tarlac is on the outside. Marias in the middle. Last 100 meters. We have Tarlac. Mapagkumbaba drops back in second is Marias. And finally, it's going to be Tarlac. Marias. Mapagkumbaba out of time. Then comes Federer, Lord of the Sun.